Hello and welcome to this video on managing stress and anxiety. In this video, we will discuss what stress and anxiety are, their causes, and how we can manage them effectively. Stress and anxiety are two common mental health issues that many people experience. Stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed, while anxiety is the feeling of fear or apprehension about the future. These feelings can be caused by a variety of factors, including work, school, family, relationships, and finances. Causes of stress and anxiety. One of the major causes of stress and anxiety is work-related issues. This could include job insecurity, long working hours, and a heavy workload. If you are experiencing these issues, it is important to communicate with your employer and try to find a solution that works for you. Another cause of stress and anxiety is financial problems. These could include debt, unemployment, or difficulty making ends meet. It is important to seek help if you are struggling with financial problems, as they can have a significant impact on your mental health. Family issues can also cause stress and anxiety. This could include conflict with a spouse or partner, parenting challenges, or caring for a sick family member. It is important to seek support from friends, family, or a therapist if you are experiencing family-related stress. Finally, health issues can also cause stress and anxiety. This could include chronic illness, injury, or a serious medical diagnosis. It is important to seek medical care and support if you are experiencing health-related stress. Symptoms of stress and anxiety. Symptoms of stress and anxiety can vary from person to person. Some common symptoms include feeling overwhelmed or anxious, difficulty concentrating, fatigue, irritability, changes in appetite or sleep patterns, physical symptoms such as headaches or stomach aches. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to seek help. Managing stress and anxiety. There are many strategies you can use to manage stress and anxiety. Some of these strategies include 1. Exercise. Exercise can be a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. 1. It releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce feelings of stress. 2. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing your attention on the present moment. 2. It can help you manage stress and anxiety by reducing negative thoughts and promoting relaxation. 3. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can help you relax and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for both physical and mental health. 4. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 5. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can help improve mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. 6. Seek support. If you are experiencing stress and anxiety, it is important to seek support from friends, family, or a mental health professional. 7. Practice self-care. Self-care activities such as taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or listening to music can help reduce stress and anxiety. Conclusion. In conclusion, stress and anxiety are common mental health issues that many people experience. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including work, family, finances, and health issues. It is important to seek help if you are experiencing symptoms of stress and anxiety. There are many strategies you can use to manage stress and anxiety, including exercise, mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, seeking support, and practicing self-care. Thank you for watching this video on managing stress and anxiety. For more videos, stay tuned with us.